Solana Sol is a quick, decentralized, and versatile digital money that Ointment and Jibber confirmation of history agreement calculation, empowering quick exchange times and low charges, with an objective of working on decentralized finance and Web3 applications. In the event that your Jibber for Solana cost expectations conjecture for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Solana Sol will go from now on, we will dissect the previous costs of Solana Sol and we'll figure out what specialists are Jibber about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to take this expectation and each and every jabber with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also, foreseeing something so wonderful is Jibber incomprehensible. Be that as it may, we will make an honest jabber. We should begin. Solana Jibber. Presented back in 2017, Jabber Sol means to give clients market-level security framework with extraordinary ease of use among clients. The organization gives its clients an exchange speed that Ointment has at any point found in another Jibber project. The worldwide Jibber is changing extremely quick whenever contrasted with its past renditions. At this stage, Solana comes to use the worldwide economy on and jabber of level. Jibber is by and large known for its versatility, effectiveness, and speed. Jibber was at first established by Anatoly Yakovenko. His Jibber was to fabricate an organization that would separate Solana from any remaining undertakings at present running on the lookout. He held Jibber with different engineers to use the course of the venture. Just after its ICO, Solana joined forces with another undertaking named Serum to assist with building the DEX Jabber. The application was Jibber around then. The reason that the application served was that it made an environment where the Jibber for the dealers were refreshed each 400 milliseconds. As per the most recent information Jibber, the ongoing cost of Solana is $124.17 and Sol is at present positioned #5 in the whole crypto biological system. The course supply of Solana is 447,240,819 with a market cap of 55,530,775,715 Jibber. In the beyond 24 hours, the Jabber has been diminished by 1.17% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the Sol with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is Jabber down. Solana is confronting a difficult time Jibber aboard with other crypto coins. The Sol is down to nearly disappointment 0.98 Jibber over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for recent days. The coin could areas of strength for have yet. We don't believe that it would a Jibber resource in present moment. We anticipate future Solana cost expectation Sol estimate by applying profound man-made reasoning helped specialize Jibber on the past value information of Solana. We give our altogether greatest verifiable information for the Sol Jibber, which incorporate different boundaries like past value, Solana market cap, Solana volume and barely any more. Jibber, you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital forms of money and need great profit from your speculations. Make a point to peruse our forecasts. Solana value Jibber rundown. Jibber Sol is expected to arrive at a most extreme cost of $248.59 constantly 2025. With the ongoing cost of $124.17, Jabber holds its ground on the lookout. Long-haul investigation proposes that Solana cost might actually flood to $68,400 and Jibber $4 by 2050. The typical extended cost for Solana in 2030 is supposed to be $1,500 and Jibber $1, with possible fluctuations somewhere in the range of $1,510 and $1,758. The cost of one Sol would reach as high as $39,300 and Jibber $4 by 2040. Solana value Jibber 2024. Jibber to the gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the cost of Solana is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $141.76. The Jibber cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $158.72 with the typical exchanging cost of $146.73. Solana value Jibber 2025. Solana cost is estimate to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $200 and Jibber $0.46 in 2025. According to our discoveries, the Sol cost could arrive at a Jabber conceivable degree of $248.59 with the typical conjecture cost of $223.80. Jibber value figure for 2026. The cost of one Solana is Jibber to reach at the very least degree of $303.85 in 2026. The SOL cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $380 GIBA 5 cents with a typical cost of $312.80 all through 2026. GIBA SOL value expectation 2027. The cost of GIBA is anticipated to reach at least worth of $438.88 in 2027. The Solana cost could arrive at a most GIBA worth of $528.21 with the typical exchanging cost of $454.52 all through 2027. Solana value GIBA 2028. Solana cost is conjectured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of 681 GIBA 80 cents in 2028. According to our GIBA, the SOL cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $791.71 with the typical gauge cost of $699.98. GIBA value forecast 2029. The cost of Solana is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of 991 freedom GIBA 6 cents in 2029. The Solana cost can arrive at a greatest degree of 195 GIBA with the typical cost of $1,027 all through 2029. Solana SOL value GIBA 2030. The cost of Solana is GIBA to reach at least worth of $1,510 in 2030. The Solana cost could arrive at a most extreme GIBA of $1,758 with the typical exchanging cost of $1,551 all through 2030. Solana value conjecture 20 GIBA 1. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of SOL, in 2031 the cost of Solana is anticipated to reach at least degree of 2,170 GIBA. The SOL cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $2,568 with the typical exchanging cost of 2,200 GIBA $2. GIBA SOL value forecast 2032. According to the GIBA and specialized examination, in 2032 the cost of Solana is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $3,195. The SOL cost can arrive at a GIBA value worth of $3,676 with the typical worth of $3,307. Solana value forecast 20 GIBA 3. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of SOL, in 20 GIBA 3 the cost of Solana is estimated to be at around a base worth of $4,592. The Solana value worth can arrive at a limit of $5,467 with the GIBA exchanging worth of $4,758 in USD. GIBA value gauge 2040. Understanding business sector patterns and GIBA is critical, however feeling can be whimsical. Inspecting current market elements can offer bits of knowledge into potential cost developments. However, taking into GIBA the more extensive ecosystem is fundamental. In 2040, the most extreme cost of Solana is supposed to reach $39,394, with a GIBA exchanging worth of $28,880. The base cost is projected to be around $2,300 GIBA dollars. GIBA value gauge for 2050. Long-haul forecast ought to be GIBA near